All right, gang, check this out. I've already opened this up. This is actually a gift for my daughter. My daughter is in college. She is pre-med, which means a ton of class, a ton of memorization, a ton of going through things like organic chemistry and having to study a ton. And this is a simple way for her to be able to study. And what this is this is a flashcard kit, but not just using your typical note cards. What this is we'll grab a couple of these cards out. These are 2x3 cards, brightly colored. You see you got a bunch of different colors that come pre-punched and with a bunch of these rings so that you can make a ringed assortment of cards. This comes in 5 different colors to help you organize as you are studying. There are 1,000 cards in this set, and each of these cards is a nice thick piece of card stock, and so it's not like a flimsy piece of paper, and you don't gotta worry about punching the holes. They come pre-punched, ready to go, and it comes with a bunch of different rings. I think 5 different ring sets. It comes with 5 different ring sets so that you can make multiple rings of things in case you need to study multiple things in different ways. So look, if you've got a student, middle school, high school, college, like I have, that needs a flashcards-based way to study, man, whether it's math or science or chemistry or whatever the thing might be, I think this is a great way for them to study. It allows them to organize their thoughts, to quiz themselves, to have people help them quiz. Even the setup of these makes it a study process. And again, it's just a great way with all the colors and the rings to be able to organize your thoughts as you study. So you got a student in your life or you're a student, check this out. I think you're gonna love it. This is the 1,000 blank flashcard set with the rings. Check it out.